The day that my daughter was diagnosed with cancer, we were caught completely off guard. After 10 hours of back-to-back doctor's appointments and other hospital visits, we arrived at Doernbecher with essentially nothing. We had no change of clothes, no phone chargers, and no food. And since parents aren't patients to get food, either you have to pack it in yourself, which we didn't have, or you have to leave the oncology floor, exit Doernbecher, and go over to the main OHSU campus and eat at the cafeterias. But in those early days, we just couldn't bear the idea of leaving our daughter's side. And that's when the Candlelighters food pantry really became our lifeline. We relied on it heavily in those early days until friends and family could come up to the hill and help us out. And since we lived at Doernbecher for the better part of 2 months, we also benefited from the dinners that they would provide to the entire oncology floor. And it seems like such a simple thing, but that moment of normalcy was so lovely. And it provided an opportunity for us to meet these other families that we were essentially living with at 10S. And looking back, those connections we made at that time were so invaluable to us over the years. And that's why I've always been so grateful to Candlelighters for remembering and providing for what often feel like are overlooked fundamental needs of these families in crisis. And now 10 years out from our diagnosis, that's why we've chosen to donate our time and money and give back to Candlelighters, because we know firsthand how essential their services are to these families.